Hello. Today I would like to show you a quick example of how to take advantage of Azure Logic apps for some of your marketing automation needs. So in this specific example, what we are going to see is how to use a Logic app to post your marketing posts or tweets in Twitter. So we see that here I have a blank Logic app. So I'll select this recurrence trigger and I will tell it to execute every 5 hours. Now I will add a new step and I will click or find for Twitter action and tell it to post a tweet. So I need to create a connection. So I'll authorize this application, allow access to it. So we see that here I have that connection. Then I will select here the parameters and I will tell it to allow me to input the text. So the parameter is this tweet text and this is what I want the text. I'll create some static posts. This is test tweet using Microsoft Azure Logic apps, right? So we see that we have that static text and we can save it. So now we tell it to run and let's see why it failed. Okay, it failed because I cannot post that twice. As soon as I created the application, it actually was executed, so it actually executed 2 times. We see that the first one actually succeeded. We see that it was run and it was tweet, and this is the tweet ID. Okay, and if I go to Twitter, to my Twitter user, we will see that it was tweet 1 minute ago, and we see that this is the text I actually input. So I'll delete that tweet and we are going to modify this a little bit. So empty tweets or tweets without images are not that great. So what we are going to do is take advantage of the file storage in Azure. So we'll select Azure file storage. Sorry, I chose the wrong one. File storage. Azure file storage, and we will tell it get file content, and we are going to use the a storage account that I have already created, and we will go and find the images. So this is the share that I had created in Azure file share. I have a folder marketing resources, images by topic, programming.jpg. I want to modify this a little bit using logic apps. This is a test tweet about programming using Microsoft Azure Logic Apps. So now I'll save this application again. Sorry, I forgot. Now I will add that new parameter, media, and then I will tell it to use default content from there. I'll save this again. I'll go out and I'll run the application again. Recurrence, it's running. We'll go and see the steps. We see that it actually succeeded. It took 2.23 seconds. You see that it went to get the contents right from that share, which is the output. The output is all that, the output for the get file content, and the tweet was post, or yeah, tweet, and this is the tweet ID. So now if we go back to Twitter, we will see that it was tweet 42 seconds ago. It says this is a test tweet about programming using Microsoft Azure Logic Apps. So since in this specific logic app we created or added a trigger, a recurrence trigger, it will execute every 5 hours because that's the frequency we set. So in 5 hours from now, this tweet will be this logic app will be executed again, and that tweet will be sent again, or will be tweeted again. So this is the example for static text, but you can make this a little bit more dynamic, like reading the tweets from spreadsheets or from database, or having some small coding to randomize or check the best times to publish your specific tweets based on your needs and on your statistics. So that's what I wanted to show you how to do. This is just a small example of how to create small marketing automation applications using Azure Logic Apps. Hope you like it. If you like it and you would like to keep learning more about Azure Logic Apps, .NET Core, C# in general, and Unity3d, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for any, if you would like me to perform any software development tasks for you, you can hire me through my Upwork profile, contact me in LinkedIn. Have a good day.